Thanks to Joel at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Sensen shocks and struts. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair. However, this one was fairly simple with the right tools. Today we are replacing a set of rear shocks on a 2007 GMC Acadia. This set fits the 2007 to 2014 Acadia, the 2008 to 2012 Buick Enclave, the 2009 to 2012 Chevy Traverse, and the 2007 to 2010 Saturn Outlook, and these are all models. We recommend using Sensen brand when replacing your worn-out shocks or struts. Sensen comes with a limited lifetime warranty. They are benchmark tested against industry leaders for quality and designed to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. Sensen has been manufacturing shocks and struts since 1985. Their shocks and struts use Japanese NOK seals for superior leak resistance and come with a premium powder-coated finish to provide a long-lasting corrosion and rust protection. The Sensen brand is where quality meets affordability. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 22mm socket to remove the wheel lug nuts, a 15mm socket and 18mm wrench to remove the top bolt, and a 21mm socket and wrench to remove the bottom bolt. You may also need a pry bar to pry out the top of the shock.
$22mm socket. Take your 15mm socket and gun, 18mm wrench. Just take your 21mm socket and wrench. Take the bottom bolt out.
Spirit this weekend, so even if you don't win the trip, I mean, definitely something to consider, like a weekend together. I bet we want this one better sense of the city if you're walking, navigating and finding everywhere else. If you're worried about people disliking you, we've got weird ways that can automatically, you might be doing some of these things and not even realizing that people are hating on you because of it.
Sometimes you may have to pry it out.
Tonight we're going to talk about some shows.
And you always take it, set it, and match it up. Make sure it's the correct one. Which that one is. And you take your 15mm socket, 18mm wrench, and tighten the top up. You may have to use a floor jack it back into place.
skilled electricians at Mr. Sparky are equipped to stand up to the
More jack in. You take your 21mm socket and wrench, tighten her up. And that's it.
This concludes our rear shock installation on a 2007 GMC Acadia. Be sure to watch for our front complete strut assembly installation video for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.